Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. It gives me great happiness and excitement to come to you with this video. KHK360, our channel has crossed 3 million views. Not just that, our community is now 3,500 plus amazing subscribers. When I started this channel many years back, these are numbers I never even imagined. Even now, when I share content, there is no expectation in terms of number of views or number of subscribers or anything commercial out of this channel. I simply love jumping rope and I want to share this energy and positivity with as many people as I can. So, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. I have posted videos in the past saying thank you whenever we hit a milestone. But this time I wanted to go a step further. I wanted to thank in kind with something more. So here it is, our first giveaway on KHK360. And because it is our first, I wanted it to be special, memorable, and hopefully exciting for all of us. Friends, I am thrilled to partner with Crossrope for this giveaway. Crossrope, the best jump rope in the world. No discussion, no debate. The best jump rope in the world. I have been a customer and user of Crossrope for over 5 years now. I love their product, their mission, and the people behind this company, all top class. From my personal experience, I can say that the team at Crossrope is passionate, dedicated, and full of positivity. That could be one reason why you see a lot of Crossrope videos in this channel also. Now, let's talk about how to enter this giveaway. It's very simple. It's just got 3 steps, only 3 steps, very simple steps. Step number 1, subscribe to KHK360 on YouTube. Step 2, under this video, leave a comment, and your comment should say enjoy your jumps, followed by your Instagram handle or username. That's it. For example, if your Instagram handle is Abhishek Jumps, you will leave a comment, enjoy your jumps, space Abhishek Jumps. That's it. With that, you have entered the giveaway. And step number 3, a very simple step again, follow KHK360 and Crossrope on Instagram. That's it. So if you're not on Instagram, what to do? Come on, it's very simple. Open an Instagram account at least to participate in this giveaway, because I need to communicate directly with the winners through direct messaging on Instagram. Okay? So friends, remember these very simple 3 steps. 1, subscribe to KHK360 on YouTube. Step number 2, leave a comment under this video, enjoy your jumps, followed by your Instagram handle. Step number 3, follow KHK360 and Crossrope on Instagram. Just these 3 simple steps and you have already entered the exciting giveaway. Next, we'll talk about timelines and important dates. Very important section. Please take note of these important timelines. The giveaway participation starts from the time this video is posted on YouTube. That is from now. You can start commenting, enjoy your jumps, followed by your Instagram handle, and automatically you will be qualifying to participate in the giveaway. Entries or comments under this video are welcome and accepted up to midnight August 1st. Midnight August 1st, India time. If you're not from India, please convert it to your local time. August 1st, midnight India time. The next day, that is August 2nd at 5 p.m. India time, I will be going live on KHK360. In the live video, I'll be sharing with you the list of entries for the lucky draw, which is anyway available for everybody to see in the comment section of this video. Completely transparent process. And from this list of entries, we will pull out the lucky winners. I'm super excited. And yes, this giveaway is open worldwide. So all viewers, friends, subscribers from any part of the world participate in this by leaving the comment. Enjoy your jumps, followed by your Instagram handle. We spoke about the steps to participate in this giveaway. 3 simple steps. We spoke how we will choose the winners. An honest, simple and transparent process. So now, what is the giveaway? What is the lucky prize? Any guesses? Well, it is going to be the Crossrope starter set. The Crossrope starter set includes the 1/4 pound jump rope, my favorite weighted jump rope, and the super premium slim handles. A fantastic rope for beginners, intermediates, and advanced jumpers, a top quality jump rope. This super jump rope, the Crossrope starter set, retails for around $100, but it will be completely free of cost for the lucky winners. So friends, you must be wondering how many winners are going to be chosen. I really wish that I could send this fantastic rope to every subscriber who participates in this giveaway. But logistically, financially, and practically, you will agree it is not possible. So, how many winners are going to be there? I thought of one, but one is too little. Then I thought maybe two, but I again felt two is not enough. So it's going to be 3 lucky winners who will be getting the Crossrope starter set, a fantastic jump rope, completely free of cost. Assuming that you are one of the lucky winners of the Crossrope starter set, let me explain what are the next steps that we will follow. I'll share the Instagram ID of the 3 lucky winners to Crossrope for their tracking. 2, I will get in touch with the 3 lucky winners through direct messaging on Instagram. 1 is to say congratulations, 2nd is to say hi, and 3rd, I will share the steps they need to follow with Crossrope to get their Crossrope starter set, completely free of cost. I thought it is very important for me to touch upon a very important point on privacy. I value my privacy and I value your privacy also. None of your personal information like your full name, your postal address, your country of residence, your telephone number, your email ID are going to be shared with me. All this information will be shared directly by you with Crossrope, who will need this information to process your order for the Crossrope starter set. This giveaway is a small way for me to say a big thank you for your support and your time. A massive thanks to Crossrope for partnering with me for this big celebration. Thank you very much. I hope many of you are as excited as I am about this first of its kind massive giveaway on KHK360. I really hope many of you jump in and participate in this giveaway. I wish everyone the best of luck and advance congratulations to the 3 lucky winners whom we will know on August 2nd. That's it for today's video. I'm really excited about this video and I look forward to a good participation from all of you. Until I see you in the next video, as usual, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.